Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your button layout in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are in Call of Duty main menus, press the Options button on PS5, or the Menu button if you have an Xbox controller. This will bring up the Quick menu. Use the right bumper to change tabs until you get to the Settings tab. In Settings, select Controller. In Controller Settings, select Edit Button Layout. Here click Button Layout Preset. You can now choose between the different button presets. What each one changes is displayed in the diagram on the right. Choose the layout preset you would like to use. If none of the presets work for you, you can also completely remap your controller and actions. To do that, select the action that you would like to assign a button to. You then need to press the button or trigger on your controller that you want to be assigned to that action. Once you have done that, you will see that the button for that action has been updated. Button assignments that have been changed from default will have a gold icon next to them. You can easily reset an action back to default by hovering over it and clicking the left stick. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Call of Duty tips and tricks.